Welcome back to another fishing video. Today I'm back in Gary, one of my favorite spots, and I haven't been here in a minute, so I'm gonna see if we can catch something out of this smaller lake. There's two of them. There's a bigger one and then there's a smaller one, and hopefully we can have some good success here today. All right guys, so I have two rods with me. The first one's my Ugly Stick carbon with the Royale Legend Glory reel. I believe that's a 4,000. And this one, I have my favorite rod, my Speed Demon Pro with the Speed Demon Elite spinning reel, 3,000 size. They're both running 15-pound Power Pro lines. I got my waders on today. I'm gonna try to stick to the edge and then just kind of work my way that way, stay behind the wind, see how that goes. I'm hoping we can find some other species. I mean, I'm extremely happy getting largemouth. I love largemouth. It's a little school of largemouth right in front of me. They're tiny, maybe like 7-inch, 8-inch largemouth. A nice little school. But I do want to see if there's anything else. I know for sure there is crappie here. We came here ice fishing and caught, I think a total between myself and my brother, three crappie. These fish are very curious. They're literally sticking around here. They're not afraid of me. I got the Helgramite and the jig that I'll be running today. We're gonna see how both of these do. This is the bigger Helgramite and it's a natural one. That is one big old bluegill. It's a bite. Yeah, too small. Let's see if that bluegill will go after this. That's a good sized bluegill right there. That's a perfect spot. Got a bite? Feel bites. That was a bite. Little guy. I wasn't sure if that was a bite or not. Holy cow. He had it with him for a minute. Well, at least we didn't get skunked. If this is the only one I catch, I'm happy with. Okay. I got a little bit of wet there. Nice little guy right here on the Helgramite. Very nice. Of course, we'll take a picture of him for the evidence. I think the biggest one I've caught from here has been about 2 pounds, 2 pounds I think. So not very big. Nice little largie. Oh yeah. There's another little largemouth right here. It's not that small. It's literally right in front of me. Can we get him? That is the question. Can we get him to bite? There's a little largie right in front of him that is literally about the same size as that guy was. I think he has it. He had it in his mouth, and I wasn't sure if he had it or not. Hopefully I don't sink in here. Something. Oh my gosh. I saw something chasing. That is so cool. But he wasn't the one that attacked it though. There he goes. There he goes. Good thing is this lure is it's light enough that when you go fast, it goes over the water. But you can kind of see. Oh, he attacked it. He missed it. Ah, that was a little one. He scared me. They might be a little too small now that I'm thinking about it. Try to stay on this side. Oh, there's a lot of structure there. That would be, huh? Oh, got a little bit of water in me. It's okay. It's not too much. That's what I was trying to avoid. Sunk in a little bit too much there. But it is what it is. It happens. There is some structure there as well. Got 'em. Yeah, they're small enough. I just don't know why they're not really going too crazy, but these guys are still fun to catch. I don't care how big they are. Little, like 8-inch. Super fun. Yeah, if you got a place to kind of put your second rod, then yeah, definitely bring 2 rods. But if you're going to be waiting, 1 rod's probably the best way to go. Just saw a nice one here. I don't know if he's gonna go for it, but I thought I had already hit that. Let's see if he goes for a moving bait. Got him. Yep. Oh man, I didn't get him all the way. I need to tighten up my my drag a little bit more. That was my fault. Kind of see where they hang out at night. I'm happy with all dinks. Just being able to be out here and be able to do this, man, to me it's so cool. It's like being able to keep the ability to be able to keep fish in an aquarium. It's just so awesome too. Like, how, you know what I mean? Like, we create a little habitat in an aquarium, in a little ecosystem, and fish actually live in it and thrive in it. So it's really cool. And same thing with fishing. Like, we're able to go out here and catch fish and do all that stuff. It's so cool to me. All right, let's keep going over here. Our reel's underwater again. I definitely do want the Helgermite. There's a fish, I think. Yep, little guy. Make sure he doesn't get off. Yep. Again, if this is all I get, I am happy with it. I mean, I'm not picky. I'm not picky at all. Of course I want that 4 pound, 5 pound, 6 pound, 10 pound bass, of course. But if all I get are dinks, I mean, I'm happy with that too. To me, it's so cool. It's so cool that, like, after a couple years of doing this, and after a couple of years of not being able to catch anything, I'm actually able to catch fish, even if they're small now, you know? So, to me, that's awesome. I'll catch a dink, I don't care. I'm gonna switch over probably to a spinner bait. I don't have a smaller one. I wish I did. I actually have the bigger ones. That's the only bad thing. Oh, that's a fish. I'm like, why is my line moving a certain way? Yeah, they're loaded up over there. Well, 2 of them doesn't necessarily mean loaded up, but cool. Still very cool. Look at that. Nice little... He had something in his nice little largemouth. Oh, that's a little guy. That was like instant. That was like instant bite as soon as it landed in the water. Somebody has it. Yeah. This guy got it. A little bit bigger. I think this is the biggest one so far today. He was hooked pretty good. Yeah, it's I think that's the biggest one so far today. Not bad at all. Another little guy. Going back to his little area over there. Alright guys, I was able to find a little spinner bait, rooster tail. I didn't think I actually have 2 of them. So I'm gonna try this one and then we'll try to get something else. I think next time I do this, I'm just going to bring 1 rod. It's just too much work to have 2. I did that last time. I had 1 rod. It was just better. Got him. I set the hook on him like if he was a 10-pounder. But he's just this is a little guy messing with my stuff. This is the guy messing with me. There was another one though, further back. Like I said, I'm not picky. I'm gonna make my way back. I'm gonna leave that there. Once I get to that point, I'll come back this way. It's not as shallow as I thought it was. It is definitely deep. There's a bite, little pecks. Yeah, small one. Another bite. Ah, he got stuck behind something. That's not good. Try to see if he gets me out. Thought he was a huge one at first, but no, he's not. He's not that big. There is something there. Hopefully he can get me out. Oh, he did. Sweet. He also missed him. Dang it. Okay. Yep, definitely structure here. Man, I got excited. I thought it was a huge fish. But nah. I'm probably gonna tie something smaller if I have it. I don't know if I do. If I do have it, I'll tie it on. I gotta check to see what I have. I don't know if I have anything smaller. That's a nicer one. Okay, not too bad. Let's get him over that. Finally, a quality one. Please don't get unhooked. Trying to get him here. Oh. This is a better one. This one, I'm guessing, is probably going to be a 2.5 pound fish. That's a good quality right there. Look at that. Okay. Not all small ones today. Again, grateful for whatever I can get. Let's weigh this guy. I'm guessing 2.5 pounds, or maybe less. We're about to find out right now. Let's do this. Yep. Let's say 2.5 pounds. No, 211. So just at 2 pounds. Nice, very nice. Not a bad fish at all. I'll take it. All day searching for a quality fish, and we finally got it. We finally got a good quality fish here. 2 pound fish is fantastic. Alright, let's try to get a picture with this guy at least. Show the evidence. Like I said, let's get some evidence going here. A nice 2 pounder. Oh yeah. Very nice. Nice 2-pounder right there. Right all the way over there. Hopefully there's another one hiding somewhere over there. That was a little one right there. Definitely attacked the lure. He was just waiting for it. Let's see if he goes after it again. They go after it for a good couple of times. There he is. Yeah, that's the guy. He kept messing with me last time as well. He was the same one that was biting at the Helgermite. Nice little guy, very healthy, man. He has been hanging around here the entire time, it seems like, because that was the same guy. Little guy. He's probably gonna get off. Yep. Well, he wanted it. Nice little guy as well. Another one. This one's a little bit better. These guys are small. He's definitely choking that one out. Oh yeah. Nice. Nice little one right here. They're killing it. Alright guys, well I think that's going to do it for today. I really want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support that you guys have given me. Please consider liking and subscribing. Again, subscribing is free. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Alright guys, I finally caught one of those fish that I've been seeing. He is pretty dang big. Holy cow, look at that. Man, he's big. I don't want to hurt him, but let's see. Just because I don't want to hurt him, he is huge. I've never caught one this big, but it's really, really nice. I don't know what they're called. I think they're green sunfish, but he is a monster. Look at that. He is huge. Very nice. Finally. Wow. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you.